Alright guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to, or just how I color grade my photos. So, let's just get started. So first what you're going to need to do is just open up Photoshop. Okay, and so the first thing that I'm going to do is, I'm just going to go over here and drag in the picture that I'm wanting to color grade. Alright, and now that we have the picture in here, let's just go over here and let's change, make sure that you have this set to photography mode, and let's just go over here to curves, and let's just make this a little bigger real quick so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so let's just see this, it's a little bright right here, so let's just turn that down, the bright, and then the dark, let's turn that up. So this kind of, and that already looks pretty good, but I'm just going to turn this up a little bit. So pretty much what I just did was I turned the shadows down, and then we turned the highlights, the opposite of what I just said. We turned the highlights down and the shadows up. So like that. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. Alright, next what I'm going to do is let's just close this, and we will open up the levels. And let's turn down the brightness, turn up the darkness, so it kind of looks like that. So already this is looking pretty good. So now let's add some color to this photo, now that we've adjusted that. So into the color lookup, and yeah, okay, let's go to the color lookup, and let's add a let's add a, alright, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna load a, we're gonna go and add a film stock, which makes that look pretty good. And so I'm gonna turn down the highlights a little bit more over here, so that looks pretty good. Let's go back to the levels. Sorry, let's go back to the levels, and let's turn the brightness down some more, like that. Yeah, that looks better. In curves, let's turn them up. Shadows. That looks pretty good. So let's go to the color balance, and let's turn the blue up just a little bit, turn the green a little bit up, red a little bit down, because I don't really want this to be a red photo. Alright, so that already looks good. Let's go up here into the brightness and contrast. Let's turn up the contrast just a little bit. And also let's go over here, let's go filter, and let's sharpen this just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so that is pretty